How to enable vibration in color block jam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here we're in the settings interface. Here there are different options available. Now on the top at the first option, simply tap on this vibration button. So as you can see, this has been enabled. So the vibration mode is on. Now whenever you win the match or there are some situation where there is critical things, the mobile will automatically vibrate. So this is in order to give a user better experience of the game. So you can turn it on and simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.